gentlemen? So I have a question for you. Do people respect you? I guess a better question is, have you earned people's respect? Because the truth is, respect is earned. It's not something that's automatic. It's not just given. Respect is earned over time. If you do the 7 things we're going to talk about today consistently, people will respect you. And if they respect you, everything in your life starts to go like this. Because when you are respected, people revere you. They respect your opinion. They take you more seriously. But it all starts with number 1. You. Take pride in who you are, your ability, your capability. Take pride in the way that you dress, the way that you present yourself when you speak to people. Gentlemen, here's the thing. If you don't take pride or respect yourself, how can you expect other people? You have to take pride in you. Nobody else is going to do it for you. Gentlemen, it's nobody else's responsibility. You got to believe in yourself. You've got to love yourself. You've got to not do self-destructive things. Take pride in who you are. The second way to command respect is to be fair. It's totally normal, totally okay to have disagreements, to have a different opinion than other people. But when you're having a conversation or a disagreement, if you're so focused on just winning and proving your point as opposed to looking at it from both sides, you are not going to be respected the same way as if you are viewed as balanced and fair. The third way to command respect from others is be a hard worker, be productive, and be disciplined. The truth is, gentlemen, the world is full of people that are looking for the easy way out. They don't want to work hard. They don't want to be inconvenienced. They don't want to do what it takes to get the job done right. They'll do as little as possible in order just to not get in trouble, as opposed to taking the bull by the freaking horns and making shit happen. But it's not just about working hard, it's about being disciplined. If you're somebody who practices discipline in his daily life, you are going to be viewed as somebody who is more credible. You're going to be respected a lot more than somebody who's just like all over the place and not doing what they need to do. You're a hard worker, you're disciplined, but are you productive? This is the third component to number 3. You got to be productive. You got to be a productive boyfriend, you got to be a productive student, you got to be a productive family member, you got to be a productive member of society. If you're a hard worker, you're disciplined, and you're productive, you will be respected. The fourth way to command respect is to be smart or educated on a variety of different topics and subjects. It's all about expanding your experience, expanding your knowledge base, because if you don't push yourself, if you don't try to learn new things, you are going to stagnate. Mentally, if you're not moving forward, gentlemen, you're moving backwards, right? If you are not trying to expand your knowledge base and learn new cool skills or different things, you are totally moving backwards and not going to be respected the way that you should be. In my opinion, there's no better way to learn super badass cool things than today's video sponsor, Skillshare. Gentlemen, there's a link down below to Skillshare. Skillshare can like drop the mic because they are killing it in a way that no other learning platform online is, in my opinion. Over 27,000 classes in design, photography, business, entrepreneurship. They've got a crazy selection, but the beautiful thing and the thing that I love so much about Skillshare is that it's taught by people that have been there, done that, got the t-shirt, like experts. These are people like Gary Vaynerchuk teaching you about social media strategies, Simon Sinek talking about like leadership and presentation essentials. Gentlemen, it doesn't get any better, and right now they are hooking you up 2 months of premium Skillshare totally free for the first 500 of you that hit that link down below. Free. See, hear me when I free. Gentlemen, it's free. Freaking free. 2 months, premium Skillshare, free. After that, guys, regular Skillshare for like an annual membership is only like $10 a month. It is absolutely ridiculous. Unlimited learning, unlimited knowledge, literally like unlimited awesomeness. And you know how we were talking about productivity, gentlemen? My boy and productivity expert Thomas Frank is hooking you up. Thomas is a fellow YouTuber, and he is teaching a productivity masterclass called Create a Custom System That Works. So Thomas is a personal friend of mine. He's been to my office, and he is one of the smartest guys when it comes to structuring your day and productivity. And his class is ridiculous. Gentlemen, take the class. Right now, it's totally free. There's some other incredible classes, guys. Once you get in there, you're going to go down the rabbit hole of knowledge. Hit that link, 500 of you, 2 months of premium Skillshare. Free. Whatever. Gentlemen, the fifth way you're gonna freaking command respect is if you're kind without being a pushover. If you are a dick to other people, people aren't gonna respect you. If you are a bully to other people, people aren't gonna respect you. If you are aggressive and angry and trying to get your way because you're all like, I'm tough and I'm an alpha and whatever, you're not alpha, you're also not getting respected by anybody. The only way you are going to honestly command respect from others is if you are kind, if you are compassionate, but you can't be a pushover. Do not confuse being kind with weakness. This is something that a lot of people don't understand. You are going to achieve so much more. You are going to be respected in a way that is hard to believe if you are kind to other people. This doesn't mean that you let other people treat you bad. This doesn't mean that you let other people push you around. This means that you are friendly, that you are nice, that you are kind to others. The sixth way to command respect is to be honest. Even when being honest might not necessarily be the thing that the person wants to hear. If you are honest, if you are trustworthy, if you are a man of your word, people are going to respect that. But if you say one thing and do another, they can't rely on you to do what you say you're going to do. They're going to lose respect for you. It only has to happen like once or twice for people to be like, whatever, deuces, I don't trust you, I don't respect you, because you're not a man of your word. And last, but certainly not least, the seventh way to command respect is to stand up for yourself and others. You've got to be strong enough. You've got to have the courage and confidence to stand up for yourself, but you also need to stand up for other people. If you see somebody being taken advantage of, pushed around, treated poorly, disrespected, it is your job to stand up for them, because the truth is other people, they're going to see it. They're not going to do anything though, because other people are too big a but not you. It's your business, and the reason is because you're incredible and you're awesome, and quite frankly, it's the reason why I respect you so damn much.